Good morning. I'm so tired. Let's go put that down. I'm gonna wear this. This one looks nice. Maybe with this headband. Okay. Well, I better start packing for school. Got anything left? No. Oh, here's my gym clothes. I lost them before. Let's put them back in my gym bag. Okay. Let's grab my stuff, my bag. I don't have gym today at least. Okay, let's bring all my stuff. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Hi, darling. Hi, sweetie. Tripped over. Okay, so I need my lunch, something healthy. Put my stuff down. Oh, wait. Are they dumplings full, please be full? Yes. Put some dumplings in my lunch. I wonder if we have any strawberries left. We do. Fresh pack. Let's put that in my lunch. Put that in there. Now let's fill up my water bottle. Done. Well, I'm ready for school. Oh wait, actually, I'm gonna eat something quickly. Yum. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad. Bye, sweet. Finally made it to school. It takes longer than you think to walk to school. Let's go put my stuff in my locker. Okay. Now let's put my water bottle up here. Then my lunchbox. Then I can put my bag here. What's all this noise? Oi, you're blocking my view. What do you mean? I don't understand. Why is this boy so popular? It's kind of mid. I'm out. Well, everyone's so obsessed with him. Well, I am mostly the person who gets in trouble the most. So let's pull a few pranks. Oh. Hi, Luna. Hi, Sophie. What you up to? I'm just about to pull some pranks. You want to help? Yeah, why not? Take this one. So, firstly, let's break into the Popular boy's locker. Because I think this is his locker. Because it has his name on it. And everyone was screaming his name. Put in some drinks. Oh, here. And I saw another Coca-Cola drink over here. Here. I know I'm so popular. Give me that drink. I'm thirsty. What the heck? Give me that one instead. This one? Yeah, that one. Here. All my clothes are wet and dirty and gross. Well, goodbye. What? Sophie, why are you leaving me? Your problem now, Luna. Come here. Hey, let go of me. Let go of me. I'm not some kind of doll. Let go. Come on. We're taking you to the principal's office for ruining our beautiful boy. Big of a deal. I can walk by myself. What did you get in trouble for this time? Just a few pranks. Nothing that serious. Let me type that up in your report. dramatic. You're the one who's pulling pranks. You're the one who's dramatic. Oh, you're back. What did you do this time? Not much. Every time you say not much, it's always so bad. Hey, it's not my fault that all of this school's boring. Oh, don't talk back to me like that. Someone's gonna get a real learning of what you're supposed to do. I found this in my office. Whose is this? Not mine. Is that why it has Luna written on it? Yes. It's someone else trying to blame me or something. There you go. Got a snotty nose much? Excuse me? Nothing. I'll write this up. And I'm going to tell your parents. Now you're going to sit here and think about what you have done. But I haven't done anything. And school hasn't even started. I'm texting your parents are coming to pick you up. You hear me? What do you mean my parents are coming to pick me up? They don't mind. They don't mind if I'm naughty. They don't mind. It's fine. It's fine. I'll go back to class peacefully. Please don't call. I'll make my parents come here. Too late. Now you go sit in the cafeteria. What? But I didn't do anything wrong. Told you something would happen. Shush. What? So unfair. Wait. Actually, I've got an idea. One way I can. Well, let's go down. Do you hear that noise? Wait, I think that's the fire alarm. Hello, Luna. Hi, Mum. Can I help you? I just got informed that someone pulled the fire alarm. Wonder who that was. Hope they don't get caught. Hope they get caught. You don't need to hide it. We all know you. Chill, it's not much of a big of a deal. Okay? Not much. Go to your room. Happily. And you're going to get in some serious trouble, young lady. Yeah, thanks for calling me a lady. I am. I don't care what the punishment is, just saying. So you can't punish me. Well, that was simple. At least I'm at home. And time to watch some videos. Oh wow, look at this girl. She makes some awesome videos. Oh, I love the Good Coffee, Great Coffee video. I should check that out. Okay, y'all, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Bye.